First of all, a very good evening to all my dear students. It's me Amit Kumar Srivastava from PG Senior Secondary School, Captain Kushinagar. So dear students, it is my second lecture on number system, and whatever topic I have to teach you today, so that topic I have mentioned already on the board. The topic is here, how to represent decimal numbers on the number line. So if you have not seen my previous lecture on the number system, so you can check in the end of this video in the screen. So let's start this topic. Now, if you have to represent a rational number 2 by 5, so before it, you need to consider that 2 by 5 is rational number as well as fraction to that. And which kind of fraction is it? It is a proper fraction. So one thing you should note in your mind that the value of proper fraction always lies between 0 and 1. It means if you are going to divide 2 by 5, so you see here 5 zeros are 0. You will get remainder 2. After putting decimal, you can get a 0 and 5 4s are 20. So you are getting here 0.4. So the value 0.4 is lying between 0 and 1 that. You can see this. Now here is a method to represent this decimal number. So how we have to do this? Just check here. At first you have to draw a line and give arrow sign on both sides. Just note down 0 and 1. Now you have to divide this part in 5 equal parts. Whatever denominator you are watching here, according to this value, you have to divide this segment in 5 equal sections. I have seen many times when you make sections, so you do not think about the distance between two. Clear? So whatever section you are going to create, that should be in equal way. That it means the partition must be in equal way. So how we to start here? It is first part, it is second, this one is third, this one is fourth part, and the fifth part will come at 1. Now out of this 5 you have to choose 2 parts. So the value B will indicate here 2 by 5. Same way, if you are going to get any kind of proper fraction, so you have to indicate between 0 and 1 only. Now I am going to give you one more example here. If you have to represent 7 by 8, clear? So it is also a proper fraction. So just draw a line, give arrow from both sides, write down 0 and 1. Now you have to divide this part in 8 equal sections. See here, first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part, and it is your last part, 8th. Now out of this 8th part you have to choose 7. So the letter G will indicate 7 portion out of this 8. So if you are going to indicate G, so G will represent here 7 by 8. So I hope this concept is clear to your mind. Now I'm just going to tell you some another with it. Now one question will come in your mind, sir, you are taking some easy examples, you are taking example of proper fractions. If you are going to get any improper fractions, so how can we do that? So just give a look here. Let it be, it's a 15 by 4, which is an improper fraction. So you can convert into mixed fraction. Divide 15 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. You will get 3 as a remainder here. And if you are going to write in the form of this fraction, so you will get here 3 whole and 3 by 4. Clear? Now here 3 and 3 by 4 will lie between 3 and 4 there. By this way. So just draw a line. By this way. I'm going to write here only 3 and 4. Clear? Now, as a mixed fraction, you got here 3 correct, 3 by 4. So, already 3 is already here. So, we have to show this result only. So, you have to check that how many parts it has in denominator. Clear? So, you are going to get 4 parts. So, just divide this section in 4 equal parts. So, first part, second part, third part, and this one is the fourth part, which is D. Now, out of this 4 part, take 3 parts. So, first, second, third. So, this is what? It means the letter C will indicate here 3 whole 3 by 4 are equal to 15 by 4. So, I think these examples are enough to understand you. But if you are going to get some negative numbers, okay, so how can you do that? Now, I am going to tell you one more method here in a simple way that if 15 by 4 is here, so you can write 15 by 4 in this way also. 15 multiplied by 1 by 4. If you are going to take the product between 15 and 1 by 4, so the result of left hand side and right hand side will be equal to each other. So just draw a line, give arrow from both sides and take 0 to 15. 0 I have taken here. Now the final position 15. Now we have to take 1/4 of 15. So for 1/4 we have to divide this part in 4 equal sections. So first part, second part, third part, and the last part will lie on 15. Now you have to take only 1/4. So 1/4 is what? Out of this 4 part you have to choose a single part. So this single part, it means this will be indicate here 15 by 4. Once again, if you are going to get here 100 by 3, so you can write here 100 into 1 by 3. So just draw a line, give arrow from both sides, take 0 to 100, and for this 0 to 100, divide to this distance in 3 equal parts. First part, second part, and this is third part. Okay, now you have to choose first part. So if you are going to choose first part, so this first part will indicate 100 by 3. Clear? Now I am just going to tell you some negative rational numbers. Let it be if minus 12 by 7 is here, clear? So you can write here minus 12 into 1 by 7. Now just draw a line, give arrow from both sides, clear? And you must know that negative numbers are always found left side of the 0 there. Just put here 0 and take minus 12 here. Now you have to check that how many parts it consists in denominator. So you are going to get 7 parts. So you can take here first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, and 7th part here. I am going to mention here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, and G dash, which is lying on minus 12. Now you have to take first part out of 7. So total part it is in 7 way that clear, which are in equal format. So you have to choose the first part. So first part will be considered from here, clear, not from this side, because when you move in negative direction, so you start from 0, not from right to left side. So this process is wrong, clear. You have to move in this direction here. So the first part will be considered A dash. So here A dash will be considered as minus 12 by 7. Now you are going to do by another way that, so I'm just going to give you idea. You can write here minus, and in bracket you can write here 12 by 7. Now convert 12 by 7 as a mixed fraction. So divide 12 by 7. 7 1 7. After getting, you will get as a remainder as a 5. So you can write here 1 correct 5 by 7. But here is what? Outside of this bracket, minus sign is there. So if you are going to open this bracket, so you'll get here minus 1 correct 5 by 7 there. And he must one thing you should note in your mind that negative sign is for the both part. Clear? So here 1 is also negative and 5 by 7 is also negative. Now minus 1 correct 5 by 7 will lie between minus 1 and minus 2 here. So draw a line, take 0 here. Sorry, I'm doing mistake here. Here minus 1 and here minus 2. Now between this, okay, you have to take 7 equal parts according to its denominator. So here's what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the final position is here. Just you can check that. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, and G dash. So if you are going to count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7. So 7 part is lying on minus 2. So you have to take 5 parts out of the 7. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this position will be considered as minus 1 correct as a 5 by 7 that. So I hope whatever topic I have explained today, so this has given you lots of ideas to understand it. If my videos is helping to you, so just give a like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.